In this presentation, I'm going to discuss effective strategies for the SAT exam. Should students guess on any question that they don't know how to answer? Can students use their test booklet as scrap paper when working on math problems? Is the use of a calculator allowed? The answers are yes, yes, and no for one section, but yes for the other. Let me explain. With the exception of the optional essay and some open-ended math questions, the entire SAT exam is comprised of multiple choice questions with options A, B, C, and D. Students are no longer penalized for wrong answers, so they should circle any question in their test book that they don't know how to do, and then take a good guess and bubble in an answer. The laws of probability say they will guess right 1 out of 4 times, each time increasing their score by about 10 points. In actuality, when students first eliminate any answer choices they don't like, and then take an educated guess from the options that are left, they will likely guess right more than 1 out of 4 times and increase their SAT score even more significantly. The reason we tell students to circle any questions on which they are guessing is that if they have extra time left over at the end of a section, they can easily identify the questions on which they guessed and give them further consideration. As for the matter of scrap paper, students are not given any, but are allowed to write in their test booklet. Students need to understand that their test booklet is not sacred, and they should write all over it, particularly on the math sections, working out their calculations, drawing diagrams, and making each problem as visual as possible. Writing in their test booklet is also invaluable on the newly designed essay section. Students are presented with a passage of up to 750 words and asked to analyze the author's techniques and effectiveness in developing a persuasive argument. We recommend that students read through the passage slowly and deliberately, underlining areas that contribute to the persuasive nature of the passage. As they do this, students should write in the margins, next to each underlined area, notes indicating the techniques used by the author to develop persuasive argument, such as appeals to emotion, establishes credibility, or offers counter-argument and effectively refutes it. These notes will be of great help in writing a 50-minute, 4-page essay. As for the use of a calculator, it is not allowed on the first math section, comprised of 20 questions, but it is allowed on the second math section with 38 questions. Students should always use their calculator when allowed, as it is easy to make careless mistakes on even simple calculations under pressure of the SAT. Remember, the SAT is marked on a curve, so it's important for students to know all of the strategies as they are competing against their peers, most of whom are well-versed on the strategies of this all-important exam. I hope you found this information helpful. Please view our other videos on the PSAT, SAT, ACT, and college application process.